Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 5. Lesson number 3, Robinson Crusoe. As we have studied the whole chapter, today we are going to do its exercise. It is page number 32. Let's start. Question number 1 is, who was Daniel Defoe? And its answer is, Daniel Defoe was famous writer, merchant, novelist and poet. He was born in 1660. This is the answer of question number A. Question number B is, what happened about 2 weeks after Robinson Crusoe started his voyage? And its answer is, when Robinson Crusoe started his voyage, a gigantic wave sank the boat and he was only who managed to swim ashore. This is the answer of question number B. Question number C is, what did Robinson Crusoe look from the ship? In your opinion, which item would have proved most useful? Answer of question number C is, he took bread, rice, cheese, tools, wood, rope, nails, sails, clothes, guns, ammunition, sugar and flour. This is the answer of question number C. Question number D is, how did Robinson Crusoe discover he lived on an island? And its answer is, he walked up a little hill and looked around. From there, he could see that he was on an island. This is the answer of question number D. Question number E, what are some of the tasks Robinson Crusoe did on the island? And its answer is, he built a house, made a boat, learned to make pots, grew corn, rice and wheat and made bread. This is the answer of question number E. Question number F is, what are some of the things he found on the island? And its answer is, he found wild grapes, lime, wild animals, goat, water and clay. This is the answer of question number F. Question number 2 is, answer the following questions with reference to context. I lay down and slept again. The sun was high in the sky when I woke up. 1 is, where and when had Robinson Crusoe slept before? Number 2 is, where was he sleeping now? Number 3 is, what did he decide to do on waking up? Answer of all these questions are, first one is, he slept between the two branches of trees. Answer of second question is, he went to sleep again beside a river. Answer of question number 3 is, he decided to return to the ship to try and bring back some useful things. This is the answer of question number 2, part A. Question number 2, part B is, the next morning I walked along the shore and up a little high. Question number 1 is, what had he done the previous morning? Question number 2 is, what important fact did Crusoe discover when he got to the top of the hill? And third one is, what did he feel when he found out this fact? And the answer of all these questions are, answer of question number 1 is, on the previous morning Robinson had collected many things from the wrecked ship. Answer of question number 2 is, he discovered that he was on an island alone. Answer of question number 3 is he felt lonely and like a prisoner. Page number 33. Working with words. Complete the following in your own words. Each sentence should not be about Robinson Crusoe on the island but about something quite different. A is every day I brought. B is one day I set out to explore. Answer of all these are: A is every day I brought items to take on my journey. B is one day I set out to explore the streets of the old city. C is I collected a quantity of berries from the garden. D is I picked up the strong walking stick that my grandfather had once used. E is I grew a number of crops because the ground was so fertile. F is suddenly I saw the ship turn on its side and sink. ठीक है. Question number 2 is use your dictionary to find out the meaning of the following. The answer is: first is hurricane. The meaning of hurricane is a storm with a violent wind of 75 km per hour. Tornado, a violent storm in a small area with a circular motion which often has cloud. Tornado, a violent storm in a small area with a circular motion which often has a funnel-shaped cloud. Stockade, an enclosure or barrier of stalks and timbers. Fort, a fortified enclosure, building or position able to be defended against an enemy. Mast, a vertical spare for sporting sails, ringing flags above the deck of a vessel. Pole, long, slender, usually round piece of wood, metal or other material. Island, a mass of land that is surrounded by water and is smaller than a continent. Islet, a small island, resolved, determined, firmly. Solved, found the explanation or solution to a problem. Pistol, a short barreled handgun. Rifle, a firearm having a long barrel with a spirally grooved interior, which imparts to the bullets spinning motion and thus greater accuracy over a long range. Next is adverb, comparative or superlative. See if you can complete the following. First is quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Fortunately, more fortunately, most fortunately. Hastily, more hastily, most hastily. Pleasantly, more pleasantly, most pleasantly. Now try this. Hard, harder, hardest. High, higher, highest. Early, earlier, earliest. Late, later, latest. Yeah, last. Next it is page number 34. Complete the sentences using adverbs. First is he drove hastily. He drove hastily to the station. Second is she made a cake early this morning. Third is C1 is he speaks English fluently. D is they regularly come to see us at the weekend. ई इज़ वी रेयरली सी द ड्यूरिंग द वीक, रेयरली कभी कभार जो चीज़ नजर आए उसको कहते हैं रेयरली। आज हमारा ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हो गई है। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपनी डिस्कस शुरू करेंगे, उसका डिस्कशन उसकी। आज के लिए इतना ही होगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।